Hi guys, welcome back to my video. As you can see, we are diving right into it when it comes to washing my hair. So this is usually what I do the day after I unbraided my braids. So I went to sleep with some oils. I'm starting off by rinsing it off. So I'm just gonna wash it through, just a quick little rinse with lukewarm water. Then I'm gonna follow with the shampoo. This is called co-wash if you just left it at this point, but I'm not. I'm doing my full hair care today. So I'm washing my shampoo off. Then I'm gonna follow up with this Aussie conditioner. I'm gonna leave all the name in the description box. I use this only because it makes my hair so soft, so it's really easier for me to detangle. This is not my main conditioner. It was really $3 and I love how it makes my hair easier to detangle. So in the meantime, I go and just wash my face and leave that conditioner in my hair for a good 5 minutes by the time I'm finished with doing my face care. Then now I'm gonna wash off that Aussie 3 minutes conditioner. It's really great because it gives me like a boost for when I'm gonna detangle my hair. Later on you will see. So this is my favorite conditioner. I love Cream of Nature products for my hair. Now I'm gonna just apply it all over my hair. So guys, out of the shower, I'm gonna start my detangling process. Now, I left my conditioner in my hair from the shower and I'm gonna start brushing my hair with my detangle brush. This brush is amazing. I got it from Amazon and it helps really well with detangling my hair. So that's what I'm going to be doing, just taking little sections at a time and detangling my whole entire hair. So once I'm able to run my fingers through my hair, I'm pretty much done. It feels so good when you like detangle your hair and everything is just soft and nice and ready. So next step is I'm going to deep condition my hair. I know we're talking a lot of conditioner, but this time is a deep conditioner. The first time was a conditioner, just washing my hair. So with the deep conditioner, I'm going to be able to leave it on my hair for X amount of time to have more of a deeper conditioning for my hair. So it's just simple like that. I put my hair in sections and I'm going to start doing my deep conditioner. Now, little sections at a time, I'm going to grab my dip conditioner, my favorite. I mean, I really just find out about this dip conditioner and I like it a lot. So little sections, I'm going to grab a little bit of product, run it through from roots to the end, take my brush and brush it down. This brush is a lifesaver. I just love it because it makes my hair so soft. I go from the roots to the ends, paying special attention to the ends because it's the oldest part of my hair, so it's the weakest. Then I follow up with the oil. Like this oil is my personal mix of olive oil, coconut oil, avocado oil, castor oil, and like I said, paying very special attention to the ends because it's the weakest and the oldest. So give it a little more TLC. So for the last section, again, you go with the deep conditioner, the oil, and then you brush it through. So once every section is covered and coated, it feels so good. I'm just running my brush back into my hair just because it feels good. Like my eyes are literally closed. This is where hair care turns into self-care. Okay? I'm just loving this. Now I'm going to put my hair in a little ponytail and get it ready for the heat of deep conditioning. I put a little hat to cover my hair with the deep conditioning device. I got this from a beauty supply store. You can find this any beauty supply store like 3 years ago. So yeah, 30 minutes sitting under the heat, chilling, watching IG stories and whatever's going on. After I wash my hair, I'm ready to finish up this hair. So I'm going to start moisturizing my hair. So at this point I'm just brushing it through. The brush is just, the comb is just sliding like butter. There's nothing wrong right now. Everything is smooth. So I'm gonna go back to sectioning the hair for moisturizing, and this is kind of almost at the end of the video. But keep watching because we still have a little trick I'm going to show you guys in the end that you might enjoy. So once I got my section, I'm going to take a leave-in conditioner. I've used like 3 types of conditioner at this point. A conditioner, a deep conditioner, and a leave-in conditioner. And with the leave-in conditioner, I'm going to follow up with an oil, the same oil I've been using the whole video. All my products are going to be listed in the description box for your use if you want to use the same hair products. I just run all of the oils, all of the deep conditioning through my hair from root to the ends. Little bantu knots to start the last step of the hair. So I'm going to blow dry my hair. I'm using the cold setting. My little trick here is I will be pulling my hair down to stretch it. So once you finish and you got your section and you're about to blow dry, take the hair and pull it down. Blow dry your hair while pulling the hair so it stays stretchy, and it's better for me because I'm going to leave my hair out. So I just like to stretch it a little bit because you know our hair is very shrinking. So this is just a way to keep it nice and, you know, cute. However you want to wear your hair, wear it. If you want it to be a shorter afro, then don't do this. You can even just air dry your hair without using a blow dryer. So I personally gonna stretch my hair, so I'm gonna use a blow dryer, blow dry my hair. Once it's dry, I'm going to twist it to just keep the stretching going until I'm ready. So I'm gonna do clearly everything, so each section is going to get blow dried and stretched and twisted. So I'm almost done. This is my last section. This dancing part is optional, but it's very recommended. Yes. And ta-da, I'm done. My hair is ready. I'm ready to get ready, do my makeup, which is not this video, because it's going to be mad long. But that's it, you know. I got my hair done and my hair dayed, and I'm ready to start my day. Thank you so much for watching this video. I appreciate you, and if you are not already subscribed, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you think, and I will catch you in the next video. Mwah. Peace.